Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. I hope everyone has been having an amazing week. So today's video is going to be all about IKEA necessities. I'm going to share with you some things that I believe are must-haves and necessities from IKEA. If you know anything about IKEA, IKEA is a huge store that sells a lot of home goods and home decor and furniture for very inexpensive prices. Seriously, they have really good quality items and the prices are super low. I love to shop and I like to compare prices among different places. So today I'm going to share with you guys some things that I think are the most reasonable from IKEA, and they are must-haves for your home and for your needs. Some things that I like to pick up from IKEA are definitely these storage bins. I think these are so durable and so nice. I love to keep my fruits in these to keep them fresh. And they have different sizes, so they're nice and white, so you can stack them in your refrigerator and it keeps your refrigerator looking like still nice and clean, and you can store so many things in these things. So I will put the prices of these, hopefully if I can find the prices, I'll put the prices of these in the video. But yeah, these are definitely necessities and things that I love to have to store my fruit and veggies in. I also like to pick up some glass containers from IKEA because they're very, again, inexpensive, but they're very durable. This is just a glass container with the top, and again, great for storing food in your refrigerator. Because it's glass, you can just serve it, have it out as a serving dish as well. So love these. Something else that is something you absolutely have to get from IKEA are their plants. They have the most inexpensive, real looking artificial plants you can find. I have a few of these all over my house. Plants are definitely a must from IKEA because plants in general are expensive, but you can find some really cute inexpensive ones there. So when you're there, make sure to pick you up a few plants to put you some greens around your house. Greenery actually makes your house look alive and looks better, so you always should have some plants in your house, whether artificial or real. I'm more the artificial girl because I can't keep a plant alive, but make sure to keep you some greenery in your home. Something else I think everyone should have or get from IKEA are one of these plastic bins. So this wraps around and sticks in here, but what this does is it stores plastic bags. So you know, all of those plastic bags we get from the grocery store and etc. You can throw them in here. You close this up, and then you can just grab and go, and they store them in here. You can hang this on the wall, on a door, almost anywhere. And this is definitely something that I think most people should have, and you can get from IKEA for $1.99. Another thing you must get from IKEA are these frames. Guys, frames are expensive, yeah? Right. Okay, so IKEA have all types of frames. Large frames, small frames, and if all the places I've shopped, they're one of the least expensive places that has the nicest frames. Like, this one is actually one of the thicker ones, but I have all of them. I have the thin ones and the thicker ones. But you absolutely must get your frames from IKEA, or get you some, because they have the nicest and the most decent quality frames for inexpensive. So yes, frames are a must-have and a necessity from IKEA. Not only frames, but decor, the artwork that they have some of the cutest artwork pieces that you can get for very inexpensive. You get a pack of them, like this one has I think 2 or 3, but I've gotten tons of little packets of like artwork to put in a frame and give you very inexpensive DIY wall art, okay? Because wall art can become expensive. You definitely want to get you some little artwork for your frames from IKEA, because of all the places, they are one of the cheapest and the cutest little things you can get. You also want to get some of these. Okay, this is the undone box. This is a storage box from IKEA. IKEA has some of the most versatile, cheap storage boxes you can find anywhere. that's cute. You can store these things anywhere. You can put them in your office, you can put them in your bedroom. They have some really nice and clean white. They have some color ones, but you really want to get you some storage boxes from IKEA because they're very cheap but very durable. I still have a lot of my boxes. So a few more must-haves from IKEA are the Ziplock bags. Many times I get these from Dollar Tree as well, but I like IKEA's because you get a lot of different sizes in one box. This is one box, and it has 2 different sizes in here. They're really durable, they're really tough, so I like picking up these from there as well. And I do think they are a must-have because everyone needs Ziploc bags, and sometimes you need different sizes. So picking up one of these is definitely something I think you should grab. Okay, so this right here is a wood bamboo cutting block. I talked about cutting blocks in my last home decor haul, but you know, sometimes you want home decor pieces to look good. The one I got last time is for an accent piece. It's really pretty. You can pull it out for parties, put cheese and grapes on. But if you want a cheap one to just cut on when you need to, get you a cheap one to cut on, because you don't want to mess up your good one, you know, for everyday cooking. Get one of these. These are very inexpensive. They have different sizes and they're very cheap. Use this to cut on and then use your good one for parties and whatnot. So I would definitely say this is a necessity just for your everyday wear and tear, you know, cutting board. So if you do a lot of hosting or have a lot of parties, one thing you would definitely want to pick up from IKEA are these. And these are really big party napkins. I like them because not only are these huge, they're tough. And I mean tough as in durable, usable. They are definitely party material. They're huge and you get a big quantity of them, so this can last you a few parties or a few gatherings. I love to pick up their napkins, their party napkins especially from there compared to other places. So these are definitely something that I think are necessary for entertainers. Also, these little bad boys. Okay, so these are little glass jars. Can you see it? They're little glass jars, and I think of all the places to get a really cute, stylish glass jar, because you can like paint the tops different colors. You can do rose gold, you could do gold, black, it doesn't even matter. Whatever color you want, and you can put it anywhere and store almost anything in these. Like, these are great. You can store office supplies, you can store little bitty trinkets, almost anything in these. Even if you really want to go this far, you could put like seasonings and put a little tag on the seasoning in it. So you could do so many things with this. And it was a pack of 4, and you can use these in your daily needs around your house for little gadgets. So I definitely think these are a must-have to get while you're there. Okay guys, so those are the things that I think if you are making a trip to IKEA, you know, for something, furniture, whatever, it doesn't matter. But I think these are necessities and must-haves that you should also grab and you will use in your daily lives. Every time I go, I usually pick up something from that list, whether it's another plant or another storage bin, or is some more paper towels or food containers. So be sure to grab you some, look out for those. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Be sure to subscribe if you have not, and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. All right, love you guys. Have a great one.